morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to study history of class 6. Today we will start new chapter 3, Indus Valley Civilization. Now let's start. Today we will start with the concept of civilization. So let's study about civilization, that what is civilization. So a society which has its own highly developed culture and way of life is called civilization. Now the word civilization comes from the Latin word civets, which means city dwellers. Okay, so students, a highly developed and organized society is called a civilization. A civilization refers to a society, its culture and lifestyle. Okay, again I am repeating, it refers to a society, its culture and lifestyle in a particular place in the world for a specific duration. Clear, all of you? Now, there were many civilizations that flourished along the rivers. They were the Egyptian civilization developed along the Nile River Valley. The Mesopotamian civilization developed along the banks of the Tigris and the Euphrates. Okay. The Indus Valley civilization developed on the banks of the river Indus. The Chinese civilization developed in the Huanghe valleys. So students, what was the reason that river valleys became the cradle of these civilizations? Because as the rivers provide fertile soil to develop. Clear, all of you? When rivers flooded the banks, they left behind the deposits of fine silt, which made it possible for farmers to produce abundant crops. Clear, all of you? So students, this was the reason why river valleys became the cradle of these civilizations. Okay, as the river provided fertile soil for civilizations to develop. Clear? Now, let's see the concept of civilization which were closely connected to cities. Okay. So, now let's study the chief features of a civilization are as follows. Urban settlements. Okay, so Harappan civilization was an urban culture as it had the urban features. Okay, specialization in various crafts, trade between different cities, application of technology which gave control over nature, script to record government orders and financial transactions, division of society into social groups. Okay students, so this was the concept of civilization and is closely connected to cities and emergence of some form of government to maintain law and order and collect taxes, different religious ideas and practices and artistic expressions. Okay, now we will study the discovery of the Indus Valley civilization. Okay, Till now we were studying about civilization, concept of civilization. Now we will start about Indus Valley civilization, how the discovery of Indus Valley civilization was done. Okay. So students, the discovery of the Indus Valley civilization is an interesting story. Okay. Up to 1920, nothing was known about this civilization. When construction workers at railway track near Harappa were using the bricks from a nearby ruin, it was realized that the bricks probably belonged to a very old civilization. Okay. The railway authorities informed the Archaeological Survey of India. So this was the starting. Now, Indus Valley civilization existed between 2500 and 1500 BCE, and its mature form from 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE. And in 1921, two archaeologists, Dayaram Sahni at Harappa and Rakaldas Banerjee at Mohenjo-daro carried out excavations, which revealed that they were advanced civilization. Clear? And afterwards, far older and superior to the European had flourished in India. Now, almost at the same time, means at the time of the existence of 2500 and 1500 BCE, same time as the Egyptian, Sumerian and Chinese civilization in the world existed. Since the script has not yet been decoded, we have to rely on archaeological evidences, such as pottery, seals and coins, ornaments, burial sites, ruins of towns and other artifacts of our knowledge of the Indus Valley civilization. And as the Harappa was first site to be excavated, it is also known as Harappan civilization. It is also known as Harappan civilizations. Clear, all of you? So students, in this video we studied concept of civilization, Indus Valley civilization's discovery of Indus Valley civilization. In the next video we will study unique features of the Indus Valley civilization, in which we will study town planning, public buildings, town hall, residential areas and houses, streets, dockyard and drainage system. Till then, you all revise the chapter which I explained you today. Thank you.